Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing of this little package that I have that my bffie, my sister, my queen, Miss Lila sent me, and I promised her that I was gonna upload this. So let's get to it. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm gonna cut something because I feel like a bunch of stuff right here. I'm gonna cut this first. I'll cut a piece of that on. Ooh. This double package. We stand a double packaging queen. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like this is an album. But I wonder. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, okay. I am. My heart is. Wow. Okay. It's day 6, Daydream. Okay, I'm sorry for the lighting. If you hear noise in the background, my mom is washing the dishes. But anyways, I think this is the one. She told me my mom didn't come with the photo card. But this is my second Day 6 album. We stand. I love Day 6. That's not the point. I mean, that is the point. You want to see my mans? Powerful. Oh my god. Bro. I'm about to put some new music on my phone. I can't believe there's actually people who don't listen to their albums. They're like, I just buy them, but I never listen to them. Like, serious. I always take my albums in the car with me. Anyways, here's the NCT Dream album. Oh my god, we are. It's so powerful. Cause we have. And we young. And this one, I already know who the photo card is because I bought the photo card from her and she's like, oh, well, I'll just send you the whole album. We're looking at that photo album. Jisung with blue hair. He was that bitch. Anyways, my mans. My mans. We stand. This is my first NCT Dream album. I have 2 NCT albums now. I have Cherry Bomb, and then now, oh, this one I don't need to do this. Or maybe I do. I don't know. We hot. Oh yeah. Oh, these are posters and stuff. Yeah, she told me she was sending me a bunch of. Oh, I got some Twice-to-gram cards. I don't know why. Look at my girlfriend. Here's one of my girlfriends. And then. Oh, so pretty. My 2 other girlfriends. We stand. Look how cute. I'm gonna jump. And we got. I don't know. You guys want to call them? I just say Cosmic Girls. It's easier for me. We got a Cosmic Girls bookmark. We stand Skinny Queens. I love Cosmic Girls so much. And then some Twice. Maybe they're stickers. Yeah, they're stickers, and they're from the Mary Happy first album pre-package. Y'all see this? I love Skinny Queens Twice. This is thick. Like me. Oh, this is. Well. Huh? No. I still got a lot more stuff. This Twice poster. Ooh, I can't make them sound. Girl. You know we beating on me too. Late at night. Twice. I'm about to hate myself. Here's another one. Ooh. Red velvet. Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot. I love my fucking pink red velvet. And it's from Peekaboo era. You know, the gays had to do it on them. This is the gays event. Oh my god! The last poster. I'm scared. Okay. Is my wig gonna be snatched? I've seen 2 faces already. Okay. Because we hot and we young. It's not SAT. I don't know why. I keep saying that. I really can't. My man did not deserve that mullet. But anyways, this is Golden Child. I kind of tore it a bit, but it's like really small, so I'm gonna say. But here's my skinny kings. Golden Child. My face left because there's some health issues. I couldn't sing anymore. But I was sad. I literally cried. I cried for like 3 days. But then I was like, it's okay. But anyways, that Golden Child we love. But that is it. My wig is levitating. She said she was gonna send me more stuff. So who even knows what she's sending me next? But man, I had a heart attack. You're crazy. My mom came by. She's crazy or whatever. Sis double packaged. So then it's still my album and my posters. Cause we hot and we young. I told her not to be loud because I was filming, but sis was literally not speaking. I said just don't be loud. Yes. I hope y'all like this video. My wig was a little snatched. Okay, not even a little. She was hyper snatched. I have to get push pins and put these posters up because I still have a bunch of posters here that I have to take down, put in my new room, and everything. But I'm gonna put these posters up in my new room. For sure. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. If you are from the K-pop community or you're just like local YouTuber side, because I'm both, bitch. I'm not a local, but I mean like I do talk about like normal shit besides K-pop. But if you like K-pop and you want to follow my K-pop account, I will put that in the I'll put my K-pop account in the description. I'll put my other social medias in the description. And what else? That's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like I fucking said. Click that bell if you want to. I'm not gonna force y'all to click that bell because my videos are a little annoying or whatever. I'm a little stupid or whatever. If you want to see more of me being fucking stupid and annoying and somewhat kind of funny, subscribe. Yeah.